Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some questions from pair of linear equations in two variables. Solve 3 into 2u plus v is equal to 7uv. 3 into u plus 3v is equal to 11uv. Okay, this is very important question. Okay, these given equations are not linear in the variables u and v, but can be reduced into linear by giving appropriate substitutions. Okay, if we put u is equal to 0, if we put u is equal to 0, if we put u is equal to 0, then what about v? V also is equal to 0. Okay, then v also is equal to 0. Then v also is equal to 0. If we put u is equal to 0 in either of these two equations, then we will get v also 0. Okay, thus we know the solution of these two equations. One of the solution, u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. To find other solution, we assume that u is not equal to 0 and v is not equal to 0. To find other solutions, we assume that u is not equal to 0 and v is also not equal to 0. Okay, then first we open the bracket 6u plus 3v, that is equal to 7uv. Here also 3u plus 9v, that is equal to 11uv. Dividing each of the given equation by uv. So we can divide these equations by uv. Then 6u by uv plus 3v by uv, that is equal to 7uv by uv. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Then we can cancel this u and u. We will get 6 by v plus 3 by u, that is equal to 7. In the second equation also we should divide by uv. 3u by uv plus 9v by uv, that is equal to 11uv by uv. Then we will get 3 by v plus 9 by u, that is equal to 11. Okay, this is the equation number 3 and this is the equation number 4. Okay. Then 6 by v plus 3 by u is equal to 7. 3 by v plus 9 by u, that is equal to 11. Okay. Then taking 1 by v is equal to, taking 1 by v is equal to x and 1 by u is equal to 1 by u is equal to y. Okay, substituting 1 by v is equal to x. 1 by v is equal to x. We can substitute 1 by v is equal to x in the third equation. Then 6 by v means 6 into x plus 3y, that is equal to 7. 3 by v, that means 3x plus 9y is equal to 11. Okay, then this is the equation number 5 and this is the equation number 6. Okay, then we should multiply this equation 6 by 2. Then we will get 6x plus 18y, that is equal to 22. We can write this 6 equation also here. 3y, that is equal to 7. Then we can subtract it. 6x minus 6x means that is 0. 18y minus 3y that is equal to 15y. Then 22 minus 7 means that is 15. So y is equal to 1. Then substituting the value of y is equal to 1 in equation number 6. Substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 6, then we will get 3x plus 9 into 1, that is 9 is equal to 11. 3x is equal to 11 minus 9, that is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, then x is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to 1. Substituting the value of y in equation 1 by u is equal to y. Then x, that 1 by v is equal to x. So 1 by v is equal to x. What is the value of x there? 2 by 3. So v is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, then 1 by u is equal to y. What is the value of y? 1. So u is equal to 1. Okay. Hence the given system of equation has two solutions, and these two solutions are, first one, u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Second solution, u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 3 by 2. Understood? Okay, then first we put u is equal to 0. Then we know that v is also 0. Then to find the other solutions, we assume that u is not equal to 0 and v is not equal to 0. First you open the bracket, then we will get 6u plus 3v is equal to 7uv. Then 3u plus 9v is equal to 11uv. Okay. On dividing each of the given equation by uv, then we will get 6 by v plus 3 by u is equal to 7. And here also 3 by v plus 9 by u is equal to 11. Taking 1 by v is equal to x and 1 by u is equal to y. Then we will get 6x plus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus 9y is equal to 11. Then we make the coefficient of x equal by multiplying the equation 6 by 2. Then we will get 6x plus 18y is equal to 22. Then you should write the fifth equation here and you subtract it. Then we will get y is equal to 1. And substituting the value of y is equal to 1 in equation number 6, then we will get x is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, then 1 by v is equal to x there. Okay, then you should substitute 1 by v is equal to 2 by 3, then v is equal to 3 by 2, 1 by u is equal to 1, then u is equal to 1. So, the given system of equation has two solutions, and these two solutions are given by u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Another solution that u is equal to 1 and v is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Please do this sum as homework and mention the answer in the comment box. Name of the winner will be announced in the next class. Okay? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.